Now we will discuss stereotypes or generalizations. Stereotypes. Stereotypes is basically oversimplification of groups' characteristics. Oversimplification means simplifying or simplification to an extent of distortion, distorting information, distorting people's characteristics or traits. This kind of process, which is oversimplification, is based on some factual elements but are not generally applicable to all. So the factual information is very, very limited, which cannot be generalized, which cannot be applicable to all in a particular group. Generalization is basically we refer this to statements or beliefs about cultural group based upon factual evidence. So factual evidence is there when we are talking about a particular group or cultural group, while applies to majority of the people, yet not true of every single person in a group. So the generalization is the process that you actually apply to all, but it is not true of each and every person in that group. So although it does or it is based on factual evidence. So let's try to figure them out in terms of points. A stereotype categorizes every member of group as having same characteristics. Stereotypes may or may not be based on facts. Stereotypes generally include a value judgment, be it positive or negative. Even stereotypes based on facts tend to be inflexible and are closed to new information. Stereotypes often result in prejudice and discrimination, be it intentional or unintentional. A generalization categorizes many members of group as having similar characteristics. Constructive generalizations are based on adequate research or observation. Reason is that this process has to be applied to all or majority. Therefore, the constructive generalization works on adequate research for its validation. A generalization is used for purpose of description and thus should not contain value judgment, subjective views. Generalizations are more flexible than stereotypes and are more able to adapt to and accommodate new information. Generalizations are useful to predict and identify patterns, leading to deeper awareness of cultural difference, enhanced curiosity, and improved intercultural relationship. Hence, stereotypes and generalizations reflect cultural differences, and their understanding can enable both learners and teachers of second language to recognize the process as dynamic and versatile.